Unlocking Healing, Understanding Trauma-Informed Yoga for Addiction Recovery. This is printed in 7 Arrows Recovery. In the journey towards addiction recovery, healing takes many forms. While traditional therapies and support groups play vital roles, practices such as yoga are gaining recognition for their profound impact on the healing process. Within this realm, the approach is a mindful and powerful tool for individuals navigating the complexities of addiction recovery. 7 Arrows Recovery integrates yoga into treatment programs to provide an alternative healing modality that is beneficial, accessible, and considerate of individual differences. What is trauma-informed yoga? Trauma-informed yoga is a specialized approach that acknowledges the prevalence and impact of trauma on individuals' lives and addiction recovery. It integrates the principles of trauma therapy with the practice of yoga, creating a safe and supportive environment. Trained practitioners are adept at creating an environment conducive to healing and emphasizing sensitivity and understanding. The method of yoga is highly mindful of scenarios that may make individuals with past trauma uncomfortable and opens a door that is safe as it is effective. Understanding trauma and addiction. Addiction often stems from unresolved trauma, whether it's childhood experiences, interpersonal conflicts, or other forms of use substances as a coping mechanism to numb the pain. Trauma not only contributes to the development of addiction, but also is its own process. Recognizing this intersection, trauma-informed yoga offers a holistic approach to addressing both addiction and trauma in clinical care. Trauma-informed yoga can provide a physical modality to release stress along with trauma and heal from past wounds. Yoga for addiction recovery. Yoga has long been recognized for its physical, mental, and emotional benefits. In the context of addiction recovery, yoga serves to help with emotional regulation and stress management. Yoga is especially beneficial for its ability to be performed as it is accessible, and its long-term benefits are significant. By incorporating trauma-informed yoga, individuals in recovery can explore their inner experiences with compassion and mindfulness. How trauma-informed therapy alongside yoga heals the mind and body. Trauma-informed therapy coupled with yoga offers a platform to delve into the root of addiction. Through introspective therapy sessions, individuals can identify and process traumatic experiences that may have contributed to their substance use and underlying issues. Individuals can begin to heal and move forward in their recovery journey. Addiction also disrupts the nervous system, resulting in heightened stress responses and emotional reactivity. Trauma-informed yoga and movements, breathwork, and mindfulness practices aim at regulating the nervous system. By incorporating these techniques, there can be an experience as a sense of calm and stability, reducing the intensity of their stress responses and enhancing their emotional well-being. The experience of addiction can lead to a disconnect between the mind and body. Trauma-informed yoga encourages individuality, its body fostering a sense of embodiment and self-awareness. By cultivating a deeper understanding of bodily sensations One can help develop healthier coping mechanisms and improve their self-regulation skills, laying a foundation for sustainable recovery. Both trauma-informed therapy and yoga offer strategies for building resilience in individuals recovering from addiction. Through interventions and yoga practices, individuals can learn to cultivate inner strength, adaptability, and self-compassion. These qualities navigate the challenges of addiction in everyday life. The science behind trauma-informed yoga. Research supports the efficacy of trauma-informed yoga in addiction recovery. Studies have shown that yoga can modulate the stress, including the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal HPA axis and the autonomic nervous system. By regulating these systems, yoga physiologically arousal and mitigate the symptoms of trauma and addiction. In addition, yoga promotes neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and form new neural connections. This neurobiological rewiring maladaptive patterns associated with addiction and trauma. Through regular practice, individuals can strengthen their neuroemotive regulation, their impulse control, and self-awareness, facilitating long-lasting recovery. Practical application of trauma-informed yoga. Trauma-informed yoga incorporates a variety of practices tailored to the unique needs of individuals in addiction recovery. We have mindful movement, gentle yoga poses and sequences, promoting body awareness and mindfulness, allowing individuals to connect with sensations without judgment. While yoga can be strenuous depending on the style, mindful yoga, known as yin yoga, can be soothing to the nervous system. Breath work. Conscious breathing techniques help regulate the nervous system, reduce anxiety, and promote relaxation. Deep abdominal breathing facilitates emotional regulation, enhances self-soothing capacities. Guided meditation. Meditation practices foster inner calm and mental clarity, allowing individuals to observe their thoughts, and mindfulness meditation cultivates present moment awareness, reducing rumination and promoting acceptance of one's experiences. Yoga Nidra, also known as yogic sleep. Yoga Nidra is a guided relaxation practice that induces a state of deep relaxation. This profound relaxation technique promotes restorative sleep, reduces hyperarousal, and supports emotional healing. The intersection of trauma-informed yoga and addiction recovery programs. Trauma-informed yoga complements traditional addiction recovery programs by providing a holistic approach to healing. It may integrate yoga and mindfulness-based practices into their programs to enhance the effectiveness of therapy and support holistic healing. Trauma-informed yoga into addiction recovery programs fosters a supportive community where individuals can cultivate resilience and reclaim their sense of agency. Addressing the underlying trauma and promoting holistic healing empowers individuals to break free from the cycle of addiction and live fulfilling, meaningful lives. 7 Arrows Recovery incorporates trauma-informed yoga for its wide range of benefits to the mind, body, and soul. In addition, it can be practiced outside of treatment and used as a lifelong tool for coping and grounding, making it even more imperative to the healing of trauma. Trauma-informed yoga at 7 Arrows Recovery. Trauma-informed yoga offers a profound pathway to healing for individuals recovering from addiction. By integrating trauma-informed yoga, the transformative practices of yoga, individuals can embark on a journey of self-discovery, resilience, and empowerment. Through breathwork and meditation, trauma-informed yoga provides a holistic approach to addressing the complex interplay. If you or someone you know is on the path to recovery, consider exploring trauma-informed yoga as a complementary practice for healing and wholeness. For more information on how yoga can help you in your recovery process, you can contact the team at 7 Arrows Recovery.